The F-150 Raptor is an amazing truck when off-road, but it's not the best at towing. As you can see, we have a trailer and a race car attached to it right now that only weighs 4,400 pounds, and the rear end is sagging a whole lot. So today we're going to get rid of this sag and make it a whole lot better at towing. When towing and hauling items in the bed of your truck, the rear end can sag and squat, making it unsafe and unstable. So today we're going to fix that on our 2017 Raptor by installing this Timbren SES rear suspension kit. This Timbren suspension upgrade kit is designed to easily bolt onto your Raptor to eliminate sagging and squatting. It features high-quality hollow rubber springs with progressive rates to cushion road shock and keep the truck level at all times. They're rated for up to 6,000 pounds and will make this truck a whole lot better at towing, so let's get to the installation. Tools you'll need for this installation: 3/8 ratchet, a deep 13mm socket, 17mm socket, an extension, and a 16mm wrench. We can now assemble our spring to the bracket. Take one of the longer provided bolts and put it inside the spring and make sure it goes through the provided washer. Then thread the bolt into the bracket. Get it nice and secure, then repeat the same process for the other spring and bracket. Now install your spring with the bracket where the original bump stop went. You want the flat part of the bracket facing the front of the truck and the round part facing the rear. Tighten the bolt up with a 16mm wrench. Make sure you have a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches of clearance on the bottom of the rubber spring. Then repeat the process on the other side and your install is finished. Okay, so we got our Timbren suspension upgrade kit installed on our Raptor. As you can see, there's still a little bit of a squat, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was before. It's gonna make towing with this thing a lot easier and safer. Install really wasn't too bad. It should only take you about 30 to 45 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading to the track.